Hey everybody, I have the cutest DIY for you today. I found these tags at Dollar Tree. They are a good size. I love them. And then I found these gift boxes. This one and this one. Aren't they so cute? Really, all you have to do is put the box on the tag. Let me show you how easy this is going to be. Open up your box all the way. And then put your tag where you want it on your box. I'm just going to trace with a pen. Next, cut it out. Next, I'm just going to sand very lightly over top of this to get rid of some of the glitter. Next, I'm going to take Aleene's Tacky glue, spread that over the whole entire surface of my tag. And I'm using Aleene's because it's thicker. My box is much thicker than paper, and I want to make sure it's not going to lift up over time. I'm using a Chippy brush because the bristles are much sturdier. Next, lay your box on your tag. Now I'm going to just take my scissors and cut the excess off. From here, you can decide whether you're going to poke your hole through or not for the hanger. I'm not, because I'm just going to hang it from the back. Next, I'm going to make a bow for the top. I like bows, so if you don't like bows, you can absolutely just put a hanger and be done with it, and look how precious it would be. But I like bows, so I'm going to make one with my Bowdabra. You guys, if you don't have a Bowdabra yet, you really need one, especially if you struggle with bow making. I can make a bow okay without this, but I can make extraordinary bows with it. So let me show you how easy it is. You're going to need a piece of jute or something to tie up your bow. You can even use ribbon. It comes with wire, but I'm just using a piece of jute. So you just put that in there, and I like to tuck mine under so it stays out of my way. I'm going to put Greenery in mine to make it look really cute. So I have these little picks from Dollar Tree. They're very sparkly. I'm going to put one in both sides. And what's great about this Bowdabra is that it's going to hold everything in place for you while you're working. I have some more Greenery. This is sparkly, very sparkly. This is from Dollar Tree as well. Put one piece on both sides. Whatever kind of ribbon or fabric that you have on hand, and I'm just going to start making loops. I'm going to put 2 loops on each side, making sure they are the same size. And then I'm just going to cut it off. And look, I'm not struggling to hold it. It's amazing. Pull it out. Pull tight, flip it over, tie it in back. And from here you can trim, fluff, however you want to make it look the way you want. And now you have the cutest little bow to go on your tag. Finally, I am going to put my hanger on the back. So I'm putting one of these glittery styrofoam balls from Dollar Tree right in the middle. So look how stinking cute this is. Y'all, you can put like words on it or a tag or something that says something. I'm just going to leave it plain because I think it's precious as is. I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other tag. That is it for this simple project, and I love how it turned out. If you do too, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and while you're here, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you'll know when I upload another video. Have an amazing rest of your day, and don't forget to water the vine. I'll see you next time.